Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. I hope that you are safe and healthy. So, friends, in previous lecture we had learned Adobe Part One. So, in Adobe Part One, we had learned definition of adverb, kinds of adverb, three kinds of adverb, and examples with detail. So, in three kinds of adverb, we have learned the previous lecture adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. So, friends, I will share the link of my first lecture in description of this video. So I think you will have to listen first video of this lecture. So this is the second part of adverb. In second part of adverb, we will learn adverb of number or frequency. So adverb of number or frequency, it shows how often or how many times something happen. मीन्स कि एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर हमें बताता है कि अक्सर कितना और कितने वक्त जो है कोई चीज़ हुई है, वाकई हुई है. सो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी आंसर अ क्वेश्चन हाउ ऑफन, जो हमें इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब देती है वो हाउ ऑफन मीन्स कि अक्सर कितना कोई चीज़ वाकई हुई है. सो एग्जाम्पल वंस, ट्वाइस, थ्राइस, अगेन, नेवर, समटाइम्स, डेली, ऑलवेज, ऑफन, फर्स्टली, फ्रीक्वेंटली, seldom, rarely, regularly, ever, and occasionally. So I think another you are clear about about number of frequency with example. So how to use in the sentence adverb of frequency or number. So adverb of number or frequency can be used in three position: middle position, beginning position, and end position. In beginning position, adverb of frequency which modifies verb may occupy one of the three positions in the class. So most adverb can occupy the beginning position in a class. Frequently he visits his grandma, मीन्स कि अक्सर ये अपनी ग्रैंड माँ के पास जाता है. वंस ही वेंट टू यूएसए, यूएसए गया. So and the end position is adverb. In the end position occurs after an intransitive verb or after the direct object of intransitive verb. He sings rarely. Sings is a intransitive verb, so it is used after the intransitive verb. She visits us regularly. वो हमारे पास रेगुलरली आती है. सो रेगुलरली इज एडवर्ब, इट्स यूज्ड आफ्टर द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. विजिट इज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. Okay, I hope that you are clear. And middle position, many adverbs are used, can be used after the subject or after the helping verb. I always speak truth, always is adverb, and it is used after the subject. He had already told you, had is a helping verb and it's used, already is a adverb and had is a helping verb, so it's used after the helping verb. I hope that you are clear about adverb of frequency or adverb of number. So second kind of adverb is the adverb of degree or quantity. So in an adverb of degree or quantity, it modifies the adjective and another adverb only. It's adverb of degree or quantity. So in an adverb of degree or quantity, it modifies the adjective and another adverb only. It shows how much extent something happens. हमें ये दिखाती है, बताती है कि कितनी हद तक कोई चीज़ हुई है. इट आंसर ए क्वेश्चन हाउ मच और हाउ लिटिल, मीन्स कि कितनी कम हुई है, कितनी ज़्यादा हुई है, ये हमें बताता है एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी. So example of adverb of degree or quantity are fully, quite, to, just, almost, extremely, rather, partly, very, enough, so. And the usage of adverb of degree or quantity, it can be used in the middle position of the sentence. Suppose Anil was too careless, he is fully prepared, I am so glad. So I hope that you are clear about these this lesson, today's lectures. If you don't understand this lecture, so that you can ask question below the comment section. So in adverb part 3, we will learn adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation and negations, interrogative adverb, relative adverb. So stay connected with me, and all lecture series about the parts of speech and English grammar. So you will have to stay connected with my channel for learning all series of my lecture. Thank you and thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can receive all notification of upcoming videos, lectures and motivational speeches. Thank you.